have no limitation. You cast out all fears. You fill me with boldness and power. Here I'm a father to my family. Help me lead them. Yes, my family. Help me to be the father you've purposed me to be. Here I am, the father to my children, a husband to my beauty, a leader in my community. When frightening times come, remind me that you are with me. Walk with me as I lead them. Lord, help me trust you always. As for me and my household, we will worship you. Oh Lord, Lord, don't hold back. Lord, tender mercies, you're my true hope, your faithfulness is my portion. I pray in Jesus' name.